Hi, I'm Kamna, and you're watching AppianLIVE Expert Cut, where we bring the experts back into the office to discuss the events they've been to, the trends they're seeing, and everything else executives need to know. Today, I'm here with our Senior Director of Product Strategy, Arturo Oliver.
Thank you, Kamna. I'm glad to be here.
So welcome back. Last week you were in New Orleans for the Call Center Week CCW event. What trends and topics were being discussed?
So AI, it was a predominant topic, artificial intelligence and all the different things underneath, machine learning, all the different cognitive services and how to leverage those to help agents be more productive. And with that, really increase the customer satisfaction. The omni-channel capabilities now is all about not just voice, but really chat, messenger, social media. It used to be that all the communication was over the phone. Now with millennials, they are preferring chat and social media as the preferred way of communicating. So how do you integrate all these channels of communication to provide that great customer experience?
So this was a debut event for us, but we've actually seen great customer results in call center operations. Can you talk to me a little bit about that?
Absolutely, Kamna. So we, as I mentioned, we experienced great success so far with customers using Appian in their contact center, customer engagement center operations. So we have one of the top investment banks in the world using us, and not only using us, but actually they started a brand new business line in retail banking. It was the first one for them, and they started that. They have limited time, and they leverage Appian to really as a backbone of their contact center operations in a matter of a couple of months or so. So we also have customers like Barclays, who is running their credit card call center operations using Appian, and really went from developing a lot of the functionality they needed that it used to take months. Thanks to our low-code platform, now it takes days or a few weeks. So those are great customer stories. And we have customers like Aviva in the UK that are now leveraging Appian with robotic process automation. And they are taking all those repetitive tasks out of the customer agents, so they are happier and they can help customers with other things. And the customer satisfaction has also increased. Not only that, but the agents are now happier. And they are now, when they move out to other areas, they are demanding that they have the same level of technology that they are using with Appian. So everything is going great.
So going back to the event, how did Appian compare to some of the other vendors there?
That's a great question, Kamna. So we saw a lot of vendors that provided, for example, a desktop experience to the agents. But that was kind of the experience out of the box that everybody, including the competitors of whatever customer is using it, will get. Our proposition was different. As a low-code platform leader and BPM and dynamic case management leader, customers can really devise a custom solution with codifying their best practices, really building competitive differentiators in the customer service using our technology, as opposed to just being in a one-can approach of an out-of-the-box application.
And if you had to summarize CCW in 60 seconds or less, what was the main takeaway for attendees?
Artificial intelligence is a question that everybody's asking, and Appian's low-code platform, together with RPA and AI, can help customers solve that question.
Awesome. Well, thank you for your time today. This was AppianLIVE Expert Cut. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, Kana.